release the food. Not that much, but we're going to see who will win. Come here. Don't you see this, guys? Don't you see this?
Oh!
Okay, she's okay. Put her back. Come eat the food. Oh, no.
Footsteps. Yeah.
Oh, someone's winning. Well, who will win? Okay, who will win? Looks like this little girl right here is winning right now. Don't touch the food.
Come on, Snuggles. Chew that up fast.
Shh. Do not touch it. And we have a winner. Dun dun dun. Dum 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 dum.